You'd be surprised at how widespread asbestos use has been since the Industrial Revolution. They had engines, they had boilers, they had, steam, pipes, and everything else like that. All of that stuff has to be insulated with something because otherwise the heat escapes. So they would wrap all the pipes and all the boilers and everything with asbestos insulation. So everything having to do with fire was connected to asbestos. And that's when the asbestos mines in Canada opened up, was during that time, the late 1870s. And of course, moving forward, they found out that the fibers don't break down and they help hold things together. So we add a little asbestos to flooring and we can hold the flooring together. We add it to plaster, we can hold the plaster together. Around Christmas time, they had all that white stuff, fake snow, and well, back in the 50s, it was more than likely asbestos. So you'd bring it into your house and sprinkle it all over the place and put it on your Christmas trees, and you'd buy it in boxes. It would say asbestos. No one was trying to hide anything. They were really trying to promote this, and the asbestos industry was making scads of money. Asbestos is gold, basically. It's just white gold. So they put it in everything.